One, two.
Forward paddle. Guys, hold on. Hold on. Forward paddle. Stop. Hold on.
这边很快啦。
And forward paddle.
One, two.
Everybody get down. Okay, get off feet. Yeah. Hey, you guys, back on the job.
肉少了一块。
我的鞋掉了，还可以吗？
Paddling. Everybody forward paddle. One, forward paddle. One, two. One, two. One, two.
哎，老的鞋。
Okay, stop. So I actually know what I'm doing. I don't care about the shoe.
No.
Hey, Gaza, can you get that one?
哎，那是你的鞋。
别安的还好吗？看。
No, you don't have to do this, right? You know that? You can get you out most places. You might have to wait a little while first. We're going to get her back first and see how we go. But it's okay. Nobody hit any rocks.
Yep.
It's just a big rapid, guys. You okay? You okay? Are you sure? No, do you want a hug?
等一下，回去了吗？
Okay?
他问你要不要一个抱抱。
Yeah. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. You stayed in too. It's okay, darling. You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. Now, you can give her a hug, my friend.
Yeah. 来再
我跟你换位置吧。
换个位置吧，
我跟你换吧。
好吧？
我觉得你们在后面一点会好一点。他比较近。
对了，你还好吗？
Tell me about it.
我刚刚抓住他1秒就不见了。
我刚刚完全没办法。我知道有一个人翻过来了，所以我赶紧这只手顶着。
Nice work.
哎，
我鞋都掉
I
了。
have one. I think there's another.
对不起，我没抓住你。
Head up the front, mate.
我滑掉
鞋
了。
全部都不见了。
我滑掉了。这么羞。
怎么讲？我没有看到。
对不起，我没抓住你，对不起。
Oh, that's your shoe. Okay. That's
刚刚
interesting.
看到一只你的鞋，我的鞋全部都没了。
那你要去买扣子的时候可以找我一起去。